Hello, welcome to Naughty Hook Stitch Tutorials. Today is about the mop stitch. This stitch is built on 2 stitches, the first one being a foundation double crochet. If you're unsure of how to make a foundation double crochet, please see my video tutorial here on my YouTube channel, or you can go to naughtyhooks.com under Stitch Tutorials and you can find the link for it there. After you make a foundation double crochet, you will stretch out the loop on your hook, twist the yarn, then secure it back to the top part of the foundation double crochet with a slip stitch. So let's just go ahead, dive right on into this and see how we make it. As you can see here, I've already have a sample. It's fun. These neat little twisties are just so much fun to make. It works up quick and there's so much you can do with it. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. So here I just have a regular bulky yarn and a large hook. And what we will do is I've already finished a foundation double crochet. So now I'm going to stretch out my yarn, twist, and then we will go into the very next foundation double crochet. Stretch out my yarn. You want quite a bit of length. I like to do between 6 and 8 inches. Okay. Then I like to put my finger here on my hook to hold my yarn from sliding off. Okay. And then just twist. Using your hook, twist the yarn. Just like that. Just go ahead and twist. I'm going to do this 10 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. See how it gets nice and tight on there? It's got a good bit of a hug on the hook. I like to put my finger right here in the center of that tendril to help fold it in half. Then we want to find the second part of that foundation double crochet. Insert our hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, and then slip stitch through the end of that tendril. Isn't that adorable? Okay, so now we're going to go back into the next stitch by creating another foundation double crochet. Okay, yarn over, insert my hook into that base chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Stretch out your yarn and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to do 2 more. 11, 12. See how it hugs that hook nicely? Fold it in half. Insert your hook into the top part of that foundation double crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop, pull through the end of the tendril to secure it in place. Let's do that one more time. Yarn over, insert your hook into that base chain. There's that V, base chain. Yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. Stretch out your yarn and twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Fold it in half. Insert your hook into the top part of that foundation double crochet. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and then slip it right on through the end of the tendril. Now to bind this off, you just slip stitch into the end of that tendril, cut your yarn. I like to cut my yarn about the length of the last tendril. That way, whenever you secure it or use it to whatever it is that you're using it for, it just kind of looks like another tendril. Now you can see what I use this for by going to my website, knottyhooks.com, looking at the holiday tree that I made. And please give me a like and subscribe. Thanks again. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.